And I thank God I don't know it all, because it allows me to be willing to listen to people that may have less experience or even more experience than me to guide me on my journey. Because, they always say, the good book says, you can learn something from a baby.
Let's roll straight into number 8 while you're here. The house always wins. Who is the house, and are they on our side or are they against us? Tell me.
When I thought about that chapter, Phil, it made me think about going to Vegas or a casino in general. And the reason why I thought about that, I said, you go into the casino, yeah, there are some people that win and have success. Everybody is having the success that the top percent has. And so I translated that message to working into a small business, large business, medium-sized business. And I thought about it is that you have to understand the rules of the game. You have to understand the impersonal rules as part of the game. They could care less. They won't spend the time to get to know John. They only care about the initiative. And sometimes, not sometimes, all of the time, you need to care about the initiative as well as the relationship.